Hey, it's Super Cheetah here, and today we will be doing some Undertale again. My lovely celestial legs. So we're going to be pushing forward. I just went on a date with Papyrus last episode. And, yeah. Let's see what the next area is like. Ooh, what's this? Okay, it's nothing. So pretty. Whoa! Hey, there's that kid again. Whoa, are you sneaking out to see her too? Awesome. Isn't she the coolest, right? I just want to be like her when I grow up. Hey, don't tell my parents I'm here. All that gives my life validation explaining the echo flower. No one can know. Never trust a flower. That's one of the constants in this world. You're telling me, bud. Sound of fresh water fills you with determination. Safe. Sans! Sansy, my boy! What? Haven't you seen a guy with 2 jobs before? Fortunately, 2 jobs mean twice as much legally required breaks. I'm gonna go to Groovy's. You wanna come? Sure. Well, if you insist, I'll pry myself away from my work. Over here. I know a shortcut. Fast shortcut, huh? Hey, everyone. Hey, Sans! Hi, Sans! Greetings, Sans! Hiya, Sans, eh? Hey, Sans, weren't you just here for breakfast a few minutes ago? Nah, I haven't had breakfast in at least half an hour. You must be thinking of brunch. Here, get comfy. Whoops, watch where you sit down. Sometimes weirdos put whoopee cushions on the seats. Anyways, let's order. What do you want? Okay. Okay, that sounds pretty good. Grilly, we'll have a double order of Berg. A comb? Why do you own a comb if you don't have any hair? That must hurt, right? So, what do you think? And my brother? Cool. Of course he's cool. You'd be cool too if you wore that outfit every day. You only take that thing off if you absolutely had to. Oh well, at least he washes it. And by that, I mean he wears it in the shower. Okay, not gonna lie, if I wore that outfit every day, I'd probably do the same thing. Ooh, the burgers look pretty good. Here comes the grub. Want some ketchup? Nah, more for me. Did you just drink the ketchup? And scratch his blood afterwards? Anyway, cool or not, you have to agree Papyrus tries real hard. Like how he keeps trying to be part of the Royal Guard. One day, he went to the house of the head of the Royal Guard and begged her to let him be on it. Of course, she shut the door on him because it was midnight. Why would... But the next day, she woke up and saw him still waiting there. Seeing his dedication, she decided to give him warrior training. It's, still a work in progress. Oh yeah, I wanted to ask you something. Have you ever heard of a talking flower? Yes. So you know all about it. The echo flower. They're all over the marsh. Saying something to them, they'll repeat it over and over. What about it? Well, the virus told me something interesting the other day. Sometimes, when no one else is around, a flower appears and whispers things to him. Flattery, advice, encouragement, predictions. Weird, huh? Someone must be using an echo flower to play tricks on him. Keep an eye out, okay? Thanks. Well, that was a long break. I can't believe it let y'all pull me away from work for that long. Oh, by the way, I'm flat broke. Can you foot the bill? It's just... No! I'm just kidding. Grovey, put it on my tab. By the way, I was going to say something, but I forgot. Okay, so... Flowey is messing with Papyrus. Why? What would he have to gain unless he was going to use Papyrus to attack the Royal Guard? Oh my gosh, what if he was using Papyrus to attack the Royal Guard? Join, and then, heck, maybe even get him to be, instead of the Royal Guard, attack the king himself. Hi, Sans. This is a box. You can put items in the box. Take them out. Why would you, though? You can't use items when they're in the box. Sincerely, a box hater. Use the box. Let's see if there's anything in here. Nope. Oops. What's this? Pickle flower. I swore I saw something behind the rushing water. Can I go through the water? Huh? There's a camera behind the waterfall. No more of those, please. I don't like being watched. Okay, I got a cross. Hi, Undyne. I'm here with my daily report. Regarding the human I called you about earlier. Huh? Did I fight them? Yes, of course I did. I fought them valiantly. What? Did I capture them? Well, no. I tried very hard, Undyne, but in the end, I failed. What? You're going to take the human soul yourself? But Undyne, you don't have to destroy them. You see... I understand. I'll help you in any way you can. Oh. Scary armor lady! Don't move an inch. Okay. Huh? What you doing? Okay, Yo, did you see the way she was staring at you? That was awesome! So jealous. What'd you do to get her attention? Come on, let's go watch her beat up some bad guys. Oh, poor sweetheart. The feeling of dread hangs over you, but you stay determined. Oh, this music is beautiful. Fort Bridge, seeing the large water they will spread. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. I have to, yep. This music is so beautiful. I love it. I like how I have to put the flower on my head instead of carrying it. Oh, that's so cute. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Flex twice as hard. Whoa. Flexing. Flex. You flex harder. Flex twice as hard. Ah, he's sweating on me. Ew. Flex. Very hard. He flexes himself out of the room. I can't read that sign. I want to read that sign. Mm. Aaron's made the bell. Blossom can bring. Oh, okay, that's good. Can I do it like this? Okay, no. Okay, so it can't work like that either. I wonder. Oh, I can put these off. I didn't notice. Do I have to send them this way? What other reason would I need to have that there? Okay, so maybe the sign will have some insight. Sorry, I was silent for a while. I'm not very good at puzzles. Just putting that out there. And I can't look up anything to help. Congratulations! You failed the puzzle. Well, I can do it that way. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It doesn't work though. Okay, what if this? There's a lone quiche sitting under this bench. Will you take it? Yep. You got the abandoned quiche. That is, I just want everybody for their responsibility. That's from sand, right? The quiche? Oh, there's 4 more. Okay. Okay. Can I leave and then leave those there? Or will they reset? They reset. Okay. I'll be back when I solve this. Okay, guys, I think I got it. I just want to see if this is right. And then the final one. The flower's bright. Yes! Hello, this is Pepper's. How did I get this number? It was easy. I just dialed every numbers. For everyone. So, what are you wearing? Asking for a friend. She thought she saw you wearing a banana. Is that true? Are you wearing a banana? Yeah. So you are wearing a banana. Got it. Wink, wink. Have a nice day. Wink. A long time ago, monsters would whisper their wishes to the stars in the sky. Hope with all your heart, your wish would come true. Now, all we have are the sparkling stones in the ceiling. Oh, they look like stars, though. Wishing room. Thousands of people wishing together can't be wrong. The king will prove that. No? Washa. Think. Green means clean. No, come on, you need one. Rinsing off your pizza. Swear. Come on, sis, make a wish. I wish my sister and I will someday see the real stars. Look through the telescope? Yes. Oh, hold on. Check the wall. First, I want to see what this one's at. Ah, seems your horoscope the same as last week's. Kinda duh. Ancient writing covers the walls. You can just make out the words. Where are the humans and monsters? Which had some healing items. Why did the humans attack? Indeed, it seems that they had nothing to fear. Humans are unbelievably strong. It would take the soul of nearly every monster, just equal that of the power of a single human soul. But humans have one weakness, ironically, it's their strength, their soul. Power allows them to persist outside a human body, even after death. Monster defeats human, they can take its soul. Monster with a human soul. Horrible beast with unfathomable power. It's illustration of a strange creature. There's something very unsettling about this drawing. It probably is a monster with a human soul. Oh. What is my HP at? Oh, fudge. Okay. Be good, human. Uh-oh. I'll be right back, guys. Alright, guys. Didn't go too far back, luckily. That scared me again. Fudge. Fudge, 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 fudge. I didn't even see the thing that's fighting me. Okay, keep running. Whew. Keep running. Whew. Okay, I made it. I will eat your soul. It got me. Huh? Monster Kid! Gently put him down and go. Okay, thank goodness. Aw, there he is again. Yo, did you see that? Undyne just touched me! I'm never washing this face ever again. Man, you're unlucky. You were just standing a little bit to the left. Thank goodness I wasn't. Yo, don't worry. I'm sure we'll see her again. I am too. Don't worry, Katie. Don't worry, kiddo. This cheese has been here so long, a magic crystal has grown around it, stuck to the table. No solo! Yeah, Mouse J. Knowing the mouse one day extract the cheese from the magic crystal fills you with determination. Squeaker, squeak, squeak! Squeaker, squeaker, squeak, 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 squeak. Sounds? I'm thinking about getting into the telescope business. Normally, that's a lot of G. Use this premium telescope, but you can use it for free. How's about it? Sure, I trust you. Huh? Nice joke, Sans. Huh? You aren't satisfied? Don't worry. I'll give you a full refund. Very funny, Sans. Wonder what's up? What's a star? Can you touch it? Can you eat it? Can you kill it? Are you a star? I'd like to think I am, but not really. Ice cream! I relocated my store. There's still no customers. Fortunately, thought of a solution! Punch cards! Every time you buy an ice cream, you can take a punch card from the box. If you have 3 cards, you can trade them for a free ice cream. They're sure to get customers to come back. Okay. Just 25B. I can get one. And I got a punch card. Nice. I wonder what this thing says up here. Ancient glyphs have been painted over with a list of 21 different flavors. Oh, come on! I wonder what's down this way. Sorry, I like to get off track. You hear a passing conversation, so? Don't have any wishes to make? You passing conversation, so you don't have any wishes to make? I heard there's a Tem village. I want to see if I can try to find that. Oh, this is Papyrus. No one asked me about the clothes. Well, a friend who wanted to know. Herpineuin is very murdery. But I bet you know that already. Because you knew that. I told you. What you told me you were wearing. A bandana. Because I knew, of course, after such a suspicious question, you would obviously change your clothes. Such a smart cookie. This way you're safe and I didn't lie. No betrayal anywhere. Being friends with everyone. Click. Papyrus, you lovable idiot. I love you, Papyrus. You're an adorable bean. But dang it! I defended saying you were really smart. The power takes our souls. Power that humans feared. Okay, this is not the way, I don't think. Okay. Because I think that's moving forward, and I don't want to move forward quite yet. I'll be back when I find Fem Village. Okay, guys, so no matter where I went, I always ended up back here. Oh no, run, run. Run, my little Frisk, run. Oh, I can't move. Well, somebody got into the anime powder. Hey there, I noticed you were here. I'm Onion-san. Onion-san, you here? Hydrate or dihydrate. You're visiting Waterfall, huh? It's great here, huh? I love it, yeah. Yeah, me too. My big favorite? Even though the water's so shallow here, I have to sit down all the time, but hey, that's okay. Beats moving to the city and living in a crowded aquarium, like all my friends did. Aww. Aquarium's full anyways, so even if I wanted to, That's okay though. You hear? My dad's gonna fix everything, you hear? I'm gonna get out of here and live in the ocean, you hear? Hey, that's the end of this room. I'll see you around. Have a good time. And waterfall. Oh, dang it. Aww. Hum. You hum a sad song. Shining follows your memories. Erase, erase, erase me. I like that. Erase, erase. Great treasure. Ooh. Can I hear? Play it? Yes. Haunting song echoes down the corridor. Won't you play along? We have first aid are fine. This power has no conductor. Indeed, a human cannot take a monster's soul. Monster dies, the soul disappeared. Incredible power needed. Take a living monster's soul. Only one exception. Soul of a special species called a boss monster. Boss monster's soul is strong enough to persist after death. Or only for a few moments. Human could absorb the soul, but this has never happened. Now it never will. What if it will? Oh, statue. Structure. Feet seem to be dry. Oh, what's this? Please take one. Take an umbrella? Take one. You might go put it by the thing. Yeah. Oh, I love this. Oh, dun 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 dun. Up, up, down. Think I got it? Okay, I'm gonna look at it one more time. Okay, I'm just gonna guess. Because I think I got it, but, you know. Yes. Okay, I don't think... I'm just not gonna get that. I love that music though, it's so pretty. I'm gonna get a, fake umbrella. Because I think I might need it up ahead. Oh, yep, it's raining. Oh, it's... Yo, you got an umbrella? Awesome! Let's go! A little trailing behind, but that's okay. You're so cute. Innocent. Sweet. Man, Hentine's so cool. She beats up bad guys and never loses. If I was a human, I'd wet the bed every night, knowing she was gonna beat me up. I love how, like, sweetly, like, he doesn't realize what's going on. So, one time, we had a school project where we had to take care of a flower. The king, we had to call him Mr. Dreamer, volunteered to donate his own flowers. He ended up coming to the school and teaching the class about responsibility and stuff. That got me thinking, yo, how cool would it be if Undine came to school? She could beat up all the teachers. I don't think the teachers would appreciate that. Maybe she wouldn't beat up the teachers. She's too cool to ever hurt an innocent person. If that's a little bit of a lie, dude. Oh! We're going to Disney! Wow. Wow. That does look like Disney, though. So pretty. I'm gonna leave it. Return the umbrella. Put back. Return the umbrella. Yo, this ledge way too steep. Yo, you want to see Undine, right? I'm on my shoulders, but you won't get to see it. See her. Yo, you go on ahead. Don't worry about me. I always find a way to get through. Oh, I'm glad he can get up after... I don't think he has arms. The humans are afraid of our power declared war on us. They attack suddenly without mercy. Scene surrounded by the different music, distant music box fills you with determination. In the end, it could hardly be called a war. United, the humans were too powerful, and us monsters too weak. Not a single soul was taken, and countless monsters returned to dust. Monsters and humans are monsters. Monsters shouldn't be cooked. I don't like that at all. Oh, not again. Dang it. My chance at beating this is infinitesimal! Look, how do I get out of this? It's a maze! I hate mazes! Fudge! Ah, fudge. Try again. Okay. I guess I gotta go down. Ah, fudge. Okay. Nope, not down, not down. Ah, fudge, I hate mazes. With a passion. I hate mazes with a passion! I can't use items. I died. Stay determined, it cannot end now. Stay determined, blah. Let's try this again. I like how her attacks are blue, though. I like blue. This is my favorite color. Don't judge. I wonder where the whole boys can only like blue came from. Because, I mean, I have known very little boys who like the color blue. I've known many girls who like the color blue. That is actually fairly common. But, I mean, blue has been associated with boys for a long time, and I wonder where that came from. Same with pink with girls. I despise pink. And I'm going on a rant for no reason. I am going on a rant, literally, over choice of colors for males and females. Oh boy. I've reached the end. I'm going to die. Oh, really? Did she just stop? Nope, she didn't stop. She didn't stop. Run! Uh-oh. Ah! Did I just die? Did I die? It sounds like it came from over here. Oh, you've fallen down, haven't you? Are you okay? Here, get up. CC, huh? That's a nice name. My name is... Flowey. Piles of garbage. There are quite a few brands you recognize. Now this begs the question. Can the flow from the ceiling of the cavern occasionally, pieces of trash will flow through and fall into the bottomless abyss below. Viewing this endless cycle of worthless garbage fills you with determination. Yeah, because we're trash too. Bicycle. This is a computer. Nice. I'll take it. It's a cooler. Has no brand and shows no sign of wear. Inside are a couple of freeze-dried space food bars. Take one? Yeah. Astro food. Can I take another one? Astronaut food. Oh. Seems like a regular training dummy. You want to beat it up? No. We stare into each other's eyes for a moment. He's not look happy. Too intimidated to fight me, huh? I'm the ghost that lives inside a dummy. My cousin used to live in a dummy too until you came along. When you talked to them, they thought they were in for a nice chat. The things you said, horrible, shocking, unbelievable. You spooked them right out of the dummy. Human, I'll scare your soul right out of your body. Talk. You talk to the dummy. It doesn't seem much for conversation. No one is happy with this. Pitiful, pitiful, pitiful! Oh, what the heck? What are those? Oh, I hit him. Ow, you dummies! Watch where you're aiming your magic attacks! Hey, you! Forget I said anything about magic. Spare. You. Hey. An armless ska dance. I don't know what that is. Then quiche. Quiche. I use your soul across the barrier. Ah! Dummy glares at you in the mirror, into a mirror, and then turns to you and says, "Oh, he's hyping himself out! I'll stand in the window of a fancy store. Nice. And everything I want will be mine. Demi's getting cotton all over the dialogue box. Oh yeah, I'll avenge my cousin. Whoa! Getting cotton all over the dialogue. What was their name again? Need item. Ice cream. Illustration of a hug. We recovered 15 HP. Whatever. Okay. That makes me caught. People! I gotcha. I'm winning. Dang it. Futile. Okay, come on. Pitiful. Dang it. I missed again. Feeble. I'm sick of your feebles. Oh, that was a lot. Hey, guys! Dummies! Remember I said not to shoot at me? Well, failures! You're all fired! You're all being replaced! Now you'll see my true power! Relying on people that aren't garbage! Mechanical roars fill the room. Hurrah! You ripped the switch guard. Your hands are burning. Dummy bots! Magical missiles! Okay. Oh boy, okay, I think I know what you're... Not sure for you. Okay. There we go. Hopping mad. Diamond, you're awful! Woo! During an armless ska dance. Final attack! Dang it! Well, on that note, let's end this episode here, guys. I'll see you all in the next episode. Love you bunches!